goes Max Verstappen, diving down the inside, has to switch now to go round the outside. Right, job on now for the pit crew. Where do you place your car when Verstappen's coming at you? What you do is you try and make him go round the outside. Charles Leclerc is still ahead. Here comes Verstappen again. He's almost pushed onto the grass. Somehow Leclerc stayed ahead. He's been doing all the attacking on Leclerc. Now he's defending. They do touch wheels as Charles Leclerc barges his way through. And Max Verstappen hangs out round the outside to try and regain the place, which he does.
Which is your ideal size that a Formula One should have?
Enough to fit Yuki and myself, and after that is George's problem. Yeah, I mean, there is other sports like basketball and other things, you know, that you can try.
Got a present for you.
You have a present for me?
We saw you took a can of our fridge yesterday.
No.
No?
It wasn't this guy.
No?
I took the cola.
Is it the cola's favourite?
Yeah, or the peach one. Peach is always good.
Fizzy peach?
Yeah.
Yeah, I second on that one.
Big red flag. Get out.
Rules. Watch the. Yeah. It's a harsh one.